Hey, it's Anissa bringing you a really cool new item. No, it's not a pair of snowshoes. It's actually the Snap-on reusable shoe covers. And it works just like that. You actually step on it and it snaps around your shoe. So now you're protecting your home against mud, snow, and all kinds of things. Keep a pair in your car so when you go into the office, you're not tracking that dirt and debris on those expensive carpets. And these are great for repair and maintenance workers. Remember, these are reusable, so you can wipe them off and use them over and over again. And using it couldn't be any easier. When you get them, they'll be rolled up. Simply unfold them till it's flat, put it on the ground, step on it, wiggle your foot back and forth, and it'll magically snap around your shoe. And when you're done, simply remove them, wipe them down, and they're ready for the next use. Plus, what I love is they roll up, so it takes up very little space, so it makes it easy to travel. Now you are going to love these, and you're going to love our price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.